Hello friends, মোৰ নাম অপূৰ্ব আৰু আপোনালোকে চাই আছে আপোনালোকৰ আমাৰ চেনেল নলেজেবল বয়। আজি এটা বিশেষ টপিক আনিছোঁ আপোনালোকৰ ভিডিঅ'টো চাই ভাল পাব। আৰু টপিকটো আনিছোঁ 50 expected questions on Assam history which may come in your recruitment exams like Assam Police, Panchayat and Rural Development, TET, so and various recruitment exams. So hope আপোনালোকৰ যেন সহায় হয় so সেই ভাবি ভিডিঅ'টো বনালোঁ। hope আপোনালোকে লাষ্টলৈকে চাব আৰু ভাল পাব। so বলক এতিয়া আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। so বন্ধুসকল, question number 1. Name of the first Ahom king was option A Sukafa, option B Suteufa, option C Subinfa, option D Sukamfa. So correct answer to whole option A Sukafa. Question number 2. In which year Sir Sadullah's ministry formed? Option A 1951, option B 1950, option C 1937, option D 1947. Correct answer to whole option C 1937. Question number 3. Major part of the Kosari kingdom was occupied by the Ahoms during the reign of which of the following kings? Option A Sukamfa, option B Sutingfa, option C Rudrahingha, option D Suhungmung. Correct answer to whole option D Suhungmung. Question number 4. Rani Gaidula, a famous character of Indian movement, belonged to which tribe? Option A the Lalung tribes of Assam, option B the Naga tribes of Assam, option C the Kosari tribes of Assam, option D the Karbi tribes of Assam. Correct answer to whole option B the Naga tribes of Assam. Question number 5. Mula Gafuru died fighting against option A Dechung, option B Mir Jumla, option C Turbak, option D Mirza Nathan. Correct answer to whole option C Turbak. Question number 6. Dorong Des governed by option A Solal Khan, option B Borburua, option C Hodia Khua Guhai, option D Dorongi Raja. Correct answer to whole option D Dorongi Raja. Question number 7. Provincial self-autonomy was introduced to Assam from option A 1935, option B 1937, option C 1940, option D 1941. Correct answer to whole option A 1935. Question number 8. Dasya Bhav adopted by option A Madhavdev, option B Chandibar, option C Hankordev, option D Khesutiai. Correct answer to whole option C Hankordev. Question number 9. The Ahoms entered Assam through option A Difu Pass, option B Fungan Pass, option C Patkai Pass, option D none of these. Correct answer to whole option C Patkai Pass. Question number 10. According to Ahom legends, Khun Lung and Khun Lai were the grandson of option A Langdon, option B Sukafa, option C Sao Taipung, option D none of these. Correct answer to whole option A Langdon. Question number 11. The first capital of the Ahom was option A Hodia, option B Soraideo, option C Gorgaon, option D Rangpur. Correct answer to whole option B Soraideo. Question number 12. The Kos coins were known as option A Tanka, option B Mohar, option C Mudra, option D Narayani. Correct answer to whole option D Narayani. Question number 13. The ancient name of Kachar was option A Hidimba, option B Diapur, option C Dhanosri, option D Narayanpur. Correct answer to whole option A Hidimba. Question number 14. The Sinagiri Ghor celebration was first held by option A Suhungmung, option B Seteufa, option C Godapani, option D Sukafa. Correct answer to whole option C Godapani. Question number 15. Who wrote Tungkhugia Buronji? Option A Biseshwar Baidyodhipa, option B Srinath Borborua, option C Dutiram Hazarika, option D Kasinath Tamuli Fukon. Correct answer to whole option B Srinath Borborua. Question number 16. When did Ahoms entered in the Brahmaputra Valley? Option A 1228 AD, option B 1229 AD, option C 1230 AD, option D 1128 AD. Correct answer to whole option A 1228 AD. Question number 17. In which place the first battle fought by the Ahoms against the Mughals? Option A Itakhuli, option B Bhorali, option C Horaighar, option D Jogi Ghopa. Correct answer to option B Bhorali. Question number 18. Who was the first Assamese to fight against British? Option A Kukhol Kuor, Option B. Purely Fucon. Option C. Moniram Dewan. Option D. Gomdhar Kaur. Correct answer to all option D. Gomdhar Kaur. Question number 19. Hodia Khwa Gohai post was created during the reign of which Ahom king? Option A. Swargadeo Suhungmung. Option B. Swargadeo Rudrohingho. Option C. Swargadeo Protapsingho. Option D. None of them. Correct answer to all option A. Swargadeo Suhungmung. Question number 20. Ghiasuddin Aulia associated with option A. Poa Mecca of Hazo. Option B. Panbari Masjid. Option C. Rangamati Masjid. Option D. Dargah of Syed Sanur Dewan. So, correct answer to whole option A. Poa Mecca of Hazo. Question number 21. Piali Fucon was hanged in the year. Option A. June 25, 1830. Option B. July 26, 1830. Option C. August 26, 1830. Option D. August 25, 1830. So, correct answer to whole option B. July 26, 1830. Question number 22. The Ahom ruler was first to turn the Kosari kings as Thapita and Sansita was option A. Suhungmung. Option B. Jaidhao Singha. Option C. Rudra Singha. Option D. Pratap Singha. Correct answer to whole option A. Suhungmung. Question number 23. In which year Assam region was separated from Bengal territory and was put under a chief commissioner? Option A 1930, option B 1890, option C 1971, option D 1874. Correct answer to whole option D 1874. Question number 24. The shape of the coins of Ahom ring. Option A circular, option B square, option C octagonal, option D hexagonal. Correct answer to whole option C octagonal. Question number 25. Which site in Assam is the traditional burial site of the Ahom kings? Option A Gargaon, option B Rangpur, option C Saraideo, option D none of these. Correct answer to all option C Saraideo. Question number 26. From which of the following places the Ahom came? Option A Lasio in Burma, option B Chiang Mai in Thailand, option C Siang Noang, option D Mong Mao in China. Correct answer to all option D Mong Mao in China. Question number 27. The school at Banduka where Madhavdev read was maintained and taught by option A. Mukundo Adhyapaka, option B. Jadavendra Adhyapaka, option C. Thaneswara Adhyapaka, option D. Rajendra Adhyapaka. Correct answer to all option A. Mukundo Adhyapaka. Question number 28. Who built Joydol on the bank of Joysagar tank? Option A. Rudra Singha, option B. Shivo Singha, option C. Godapani, option D. None of these. Correct answer to all option A. Rudra Singha. Question number 29. Who among the following was the first Ahom ruler to officially accept Hinduism? Option A. Jayaditya Singha, option B. Jayadhwaj Singha, option C. Pramatta Singha, option D. Pratap Singha. Correct answer to all option B. Jayadhwaj Singha. Question number 30. The oldest canon inscriptions discovered in Assam belong to which dynasty? Option A. Ahoms, option B. Mughals, option C. Kos, option D. English. Correct answer to whole option C. Kos. Question number 31. Rajo Pakhayan by Musi Joynath Ghosh is a chronicle of the option A. Kos, option B. Kosaris, option C. Ahoms, option D. Sutias. Correct answer to all option A. Kos. Question number 32. Srimanta Shankaradev was born in option A 1749, option B 1669, option C 1559, option D 1449. Correct answer to all option D 1449. Question number 33. The two Kanai Barasi rock inscription near Manikarneswar hill was in option A Thai, option B Assamese, option C Persian, option D Sanskrit. Correct answer to all option B Assamese. Question number 34. Badan Borphukon was the governor of option A Hodia, option B Solal, option C Kamrup, option D Marangi. Correct answer to all option C Kamrup. Question number 35. From whose ring was Sanskrit language used on Ahom coins? Option A Sudangfa, option B Pratap Singha, option C Shiva Singha, option D Rudra Singha. Correct answer to all option D Rudra Singha. Question number 36. The Marangi Khoa Gohai was the governor of option A Solal province, option B Kamrup, option C Marangi province, option D Hodia province. Correct answer hol option C Marangi province. Question number 37. The Ahom first used the Saka era during the reign of option A Suhungmung, option B Pratapsingha, option C Sukafa, option D Subinfa. Correct answer to hol option A Suhungmung. Question number 38. The first Ahom Borborua was option A Lasit, option B Momai Tamuli, option C Bodon Chandra, option D Langi Panhia. Correct answer to her option B Momai Tamuli. Question number 39. One of the disciples of Shonkordev was option A Madhav Kandali, option B Mahendra Narayan, option C Naranarayan, option D Chand Khan. Correct answer hol option D Chand Khan. Question number 40. Name of the Ahom king who married the Koch princess Mongoldoi. Option A Sukamfa, option B Suramfa, option C Suhungmung, option D Suklangmung. Correct answer to whole option A Sukamfa. Question number 41. Name of the foreigner who recorded in his accounts that he came to Kamolupo. Option A Ptolemy, option B Yuan Chuang, option C Sir Edward Guide, option D Alberoni. Correct answer whole option B Yuan Chuang. Question number 42. Darang Raj Vanshavali is by option A Pandit Vidya Vinod, option B Kaviratna Saraswati, option C Durgabor Kayastha, option D Baladev Suryakari Doi Bojana. Correct answer whole option D Baladev Suryakari Doi Bojana. Question number 43. King Biswasingha's father was option A Dharmanararya, option B Malladeva, option C Hariya Mandal, option D Nilambar. Correct answer to whole option C Hariya Mandal. Question number 44. Who was the progenitor of the Koches? Option A Hariya Mandal, option B Silarai, option C Naranarayan, option D Biswasingha. Correct answer whole option A Hariya Mandal. Raghudev was the son of option A Biswasingha, option B Silarai, option C Hariya Mandal, option D Naranarayan. Correct answer to option B Silarai. Question number 46. In which year the Battle of Horaighat was fought? Option A 1661, option B 1671, option C 1618, option D 1616. Correct answer to option B 1671. Question number 47. During the Kamrupa king Bhaskar Burman's period, the officer who was in charge of royal treasury was known as option A Vandaragara Thikara, option B Van Vandara Borua, option C Utkhe Taita, option D Nagar Brahman. Correct answer to option A Vandaragara Thikara. Question number 48. The Battle of Horaighat was fought between option A the Burmas and the Koches, option B the Ahoms and the Mughals, option C the Ahoms and the Kosaris, option D the Mughals and the Koches. Correct answer is option B the Ahoms and the Mughals. Question number 49. What was the name of the grandmother of Shonkordev? Option A Hira, option B Sadhani, option C Khesuti, option D Zira. Correct answer is option C Khesuti. Question number 50. Which Mughal general invaded Ahom kingdom and occupied Gargaon? Option A Mir Jumla, option B Mirza Nathan, option C Rajaram Singh, option D Abu Bakar. Correct answer হল option A Mir Jumla. সো বন্ধুসকল আপোনালোকে যদি ভিডিওটো ভাল পাইছে চাই তেনেহলে প্লিজ লাইক আৰু শেয়াৰ কৰি দিব নিজৰ ফ্ৰেণ্ডছলৈ আৰু আগলৈকে যদি এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ ৰেকমেণ্ড টাইপ ভিডিও চাও বিচাৰে মোৰ চেনেলত তেনেহলে মোৰ চেনেল প্লিজ সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব লগতে নটিফিকেশ্যন বেলটো ক্লিক কৰি দিব। সো বন্ধুসকল এতিয়ালৈকে মই আহিছো, ধন্যবাদ।